Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on direct messages to contacts on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on save, then you come to next window here on or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you this window, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on social permissions, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on message settings, and it's going to take you to this window, then you just click here on contacts, and you come to this window here, then you just click here on direct messages, and like you see this color show for us here, that's main direct messages, it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.